Mirror, mirror in my hand, who's the fairest in the land?
Mirror too small, can't see you. Mirror too small, malfunction too small.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I painted these little tiny Victorian mirrors, as they're so precious and so cute, and it's going to be really fun and exciting. So please remember to hit that subscribe button and enjoy the video. Yay!
Okay, so let's get started on this project. So, I got these two little mirrors at a local thrift shop. One of them was broken, so I decided to paint them and restore them because they're so cute and tiny. So I went ahead and decided to clean off all the dust with a wet little rag with some warm water, just to clean off all the dust gently, as these might be antiques. I accidentally broke the other mirror, but that's okay. I'm gonna glue them back on anyways. It makes it easier to paint. Here are the little mirrors, and once everything's clean, everything's clean, you know what I guys mean. You know what I mean. So yeah. So now I'm going to start painting. My foot's in the frame. That's fabulous. I'm so sorry about that. But anywhoosie, I'm just going to take a little bit of paint and do kind of a dry brush effect where I just kind of lightly paint it, because I still wanted some of the gold to show to give it that Victorian look. And I do the pastel bases, and I kind of mix with some other darker shades of the pink and blue as well, and just kind of give it dimension throughout, and it looks really sweet and princessy that way. Yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one too. So yeah, here I am doing the second frame, and I just kind of filled out the frame with different dimensions of the soft pastel and bright pinks. I used a lot less bright pink and a lot more pastel pink and blue shades. But yeah, just add some dimension and leave a little gold if you want that antique-y look. As so. And here is the finished product. I did go over the frames with a second coat of paint to fill it out a little bit more, but I still left some gold. And then I went ahead and covered it with Mod Podge and glitter just to seal it off. Usually I wouldn't use Mod Podge on the things I paint, but these were so small and I thought they needed to be sealed in with their paint anyways, and glitter just makes everything better. So yeah, here I am adding glitter. So then I went ahead and glued the mirrors to their frames. As I used some super glue for this. Please be careful with super glue, it will be sticky and stuff. And I just glued them to the frames and held them. They're making a silly face, of course, because I'm a potato. And, and yeah, just hold them in place and glue them. I've also been working on some resin pieces lately, so I went ahead and glued this resin charm onto its little backing with some E6000 as well, and I just wanted to show you guys how cute it is. It's a little starcatcher charm. And when you're done gluing, please remember to close your glue, as it could dry out or get sticky, or just bad stuff could happen, so. So then after the mirrors with the glue had dried, I went ahead and glued on some crystals, as they are super sparkly and super cute. I got these at the craft store. You can usually get them with a coupon, and they're really pretty. So I went ahead and opened them up for you guys and showed you how sparkly they were before I glued them on, as you can see. I went ahead and opened up my E6000 glue, glued the little crystals onto the middle part of the frame, and it looks really nice and beautiful. Try not to get the glue everywhere, as you can see. And And yeah, just holding it in place and making it look lovely. When you're done, make sure you close the lid on your glue so it doesn't dry out and stuff. Yep. And here is the final product/project. So you can see everything's pastel-y and crystal-y and kawaii. Now to the outro.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you all later. Little tiny magic mirror. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Stay safe. I love you guys, and I will see you all later. Bye.